Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something a little different in the kitchen. Usually I make all sorts of different sweet treats for my family, but my husband and I are currently like cleaning up our diets and trying different things to eat healthy. So we are still human. We still want our sweet desserts and whatnot. So I'm going to try a recipe I found online. I have never tried it before. We're going to give it a try. It is a high protein cottage cheese cookie dough. I have most of the ingredients here, except I don't have the vanilla protein powder. I only have the peanut butter chocolate one. So we'll try with that. We'll see how it turns out. I'm hoping it turns out good because that'll be a waste of a lot of ingredients. But yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to put the camera so you can see all the steps to making it, and I hope you follow along and enjoy. Okay, so the first ingredient you're going to use is 1 cup of cottage cheese. You are going to use 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. One teaspoon of vanilla. I'm trying to get all the maple syrup out of my. And you're going to put the cover on, and you are going to pulse it, blend it together. Once that is done, I'm going to remove it. And you're going to transfer it to another bowl. Okay. Now, you are going to, in your bowl, combine the cottage cheese with almond flour, 1 cup of almond flour. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of, you can use peanut butter or almond butter. I have almond butter I'm going to use. I'm trying to do this without making a huge mess. And you need a 1/4 cup of protein powder. Now again, the recipe calls for vanilla, but I didn't have it, so mine's going to be chocolatey and peanut buttery, but that's okay. Use whatever protein powder you have. You're going to combine that together. Okay, so you're going to combine that as much as you can. Stir it all together. And then you're going to add in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, give or take. And you're just going to fold that in. insert a picture of what this looks like from the recipe that I got it from, and I will list the recipe website down below as well if you want to take a look for yourselves. Before I continue, I just want to ask you guys to hit that subscribe button down below. Help me out. It's free for you and it helps me out so I can continue making videos for you. I like doing a variety of videos, DIY, cooking, whatever it may be. So if you want to follow along, go ahead, subscribe, like this video. And now we are going to try this recipe. I mean, it doesn't taste like the real cookie dough, obviously, because it's made with cheese, but it's actually really, really good. And I thought it would be different because I'm using peanut butter chocolate protein powder, but I give it an A+ for this. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you've given this this recipe a try, and I will link the recipe down below for you. Thanks for watching, guys.